morning. We are leaving Ventosa. We actually got up early today, but we just kind of moke around, and now it's 6:30. Other people aren't even up yet, so we had a good night's sleep. So we're going to see if we can find a way out. There's a guy that's open, there's a bar, so we just went in and grabbed some coffee because we have like 8 kilometers to go to get to Nahara. So let's go. Bon Camino. Came upon this winery. Beautiful place. And as we got out of town, we were treated to a beautiful sunrise. Starting of a beautiful day. On the way, people in the town makes accommodation for the pilgrim, which is very nice. So many vineyards, and I mean, look at the soil. This would explain why they plant things here. Very fertile. This is kind of cool right here. A little bit of rough terrain. We're walking up this hill. Just have to be a little careful, but it's not as bad as Zubiri for sure. So here we go. Alright, success. Now with this slight descent into the city, so yeah, pretty much downhill from here for the next 3 kilometers or so.
Some road construction, so we had to go past the building down a paved drive, and there's paving the road on the side here, so they pointed us to about 15 feet to the left, and we're heading down that way.
What have I learned so far after about 9 or 10 days of walking now? I think people say listen to your body. I think that's very true. That's very valid. Remember I told you the first week or so my right knee was really not doing well. So I really took it easy, especially going downhill. And today my knee looks to be in reasonable shape, but still I'm very careful still because we still have a long way to go. So yes, listen to your body. It knows, and it will tell you when you need to take it easy. Okay, other than that, enjoy. The Ben say don't go that way, there's an X. Whoever built this really has skills. Wow. This is pretty cool. Alison. We decided to not take a detour into Alison because we have a bit of a long day of walking today, so we tried to get to Ciruena, a reasonable drive. There's an ATV here. Do you think it's for youth, for the pilgrim? Probably not. I guess the creek has dried up, but
Pay attention how you're going to fall off.
yeah. Made it success. That was a good pit stop. Air out our shoes and feet, some banana. Now we're back on track.
I'm assuming this is our way.
Yeah, I've been watching the sign. So it seems like we walk forever. We saw the town. It takes forever to get here. So now we're actually inside the town. So
We should get off the street.
yeah, we should get off the street. Yeah. So we're looking around. And since we already stopped earlier, we're not gonna stop here. Mahara looks like a big city atmosphere. Lots of people here. There's a church that's open. I think we're gonna go in here and check it out. Well, Mahara looks like a very well-established town. Seems to be quite orderly. Every city seems to have a river. This is the first city that we came in that didn't have a very dominant church. As we walked in. Escobar boomerang. Okay, I guess we're heading this way. We need to practice looking back more often because there's a big cross on top of the hill all the way back there. Okay, we are approaching Ozafra. It's been a tough walk, but the heat is starting to build up because it's about 30 past noon, and we don't do as well when the heat is coming. So we are going to see if we can stop here, maybe get something to eat for lunch, and then continue on. The last 7 kilometers will be very rough. It will be in the heat, and it will go uphill about 300 meters or 400 meters uphill. Hopefully we will be okay. Well, we will take it easy at the very least. So of course we have to take a picture of the first shell that we see. The weather is getting warmer. It's about 1 o'clock right now, and there's actually people in the city that we see. Looks like a very old city.
as we're walking to the southwest. The sun is still shining over there, but our direction is northwest. And thunder has been booming and whatnot. So let's see if we can hold out.
These columns are kind of twisty.
Curvy.
Curvy? Is this by design?
Grapes.
Yeah. You think? Is this by design?
That's so cool.
That's pretty cool. We've been climbing this hill for the last 10 minutes. It's really hard. I think it's about halfway done. About halfway up there. I was thinking about Don Norman, the 83-year-old traveler with us from Roncesvalles to Zubiri. I wonder how Don is doing right now. I was thinking about him, realizing that was a magnificent effort that he did to complete that stage. Yes, so what if it took longer than others, but Don did a great job. He finished it. I was just thinking, gosh, when I get to that age, if I can do half of it or even a third of it, I would consider that a success. Yeah. So if you're out there somewhere, Don, if this message ever get to you, good job. We are 0.8 mile from Ciruena, and there's a golf course here. That's amazing, out of nowhere. But then we saw all these apartment or condo. This makes sense. I think this is the newest section of the town. That's why there's a golf course here. Excellent.
Okay, this is July 7th in Spain. Fortunately, we were able to get to our albergue before all this happened, within about 20-30 minutes. Otherwise, we would be doomed.